Want to save $60 on your Comal County marriage license and skip the mandatory 72-hour wait? If you are planning to get married in New Braunfels, Bulverde, Canyon Lake, or anywhere in Comal County, you need to apply for your marriage license through the Comal County Clerk's office. But you do not need to pay full price, and you absolutely do not need to wait 72 hours. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling and a licensed professional counselor here in Texas. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Comal County process and a legal loophole to save money and time. First, let's look at the specific local costs. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Comal County Clerk's office is $82. However, if you complete an approved 8-hour premarital course, like the official Twogether in Texas program we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the county is legally required to reduce your fee by exactly $60. That brings your total cost at the courthouse down to an incredibly low $22. Beyond saving money, there is a major time-saving benefit. Under Texas state law, once the Comal County Clerk hands you your license, you are forced to wait 72 hours before you can legally get married. But if you present our Twogether in Texas certificate when you apply, the clerk will instantly waive that 72-hour wait. You could legally get married the exact same day you walk out of the building. To get this $60 discount and waive your waiting period, you just need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our official course is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop, pause whenever you need, and pick it right back up. Best of all, our course is only $19.97. There are no hidden fees, and your official certificate is generated instantly the moment you finish. When you are ready to apply, both you and your partner must appear together in person. You can visit the main Comal County Clerk's office located at 150 North Seguin Avenue in New Braunfels, or use one of their convenient satellite offices in Bulverde or Sattler near Canyon Lake. Hand the clerk your printed Cadenza counseling certificate along with valid, government-issued photo IDs and your social security numbers. They will verify your certificate, apply your $60 discount, and issue your active license right there. To claim your $60 Comal County discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Twogether in Texas course. You can finish it at your own pace and print your certificate today. Also, be sure to share your experience using #premaritalcourse to claim a free name change kit. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.